This video will be discussing recycler mode. Recycler mode is a feature designed for people processing loose hard drives, SSDs or NVMEs, in either our Octane appliances or in whatever erasure station they have set up. So as you can see on screen currently, I have one drive that's in idle mode and one drive that is orange that says high power on hours. Now, the reason that is because I purposely looked at the power on hours here and set a recycler mode setting that would flag a warning on this. I'm going to show you how I did that. So under Customize Interface, we go to Recycler Mode. And now Recycler Mode, we'll start at the first option here. It has the option to be off, or to warn you, like it is now, or to fail. Then you can specify a certain number of reallocated sectors that is kind of your baseline for drives that you don't want to deal with. If anything has anything above this, maybe your policy is shredded, for example. And then you've got a power on hours limit that you can specify as well. So maybe for you, specifying 50,000 power on hours, anything above that, we're really not going to be able to sell it, we're just going to shred it. And so that's kind of the idea behind these two overrides. As you can see, I set this one to 14,000, which essentially warned me about this drive because it has over 15,000. Now the other thing that recycler mode, if it's turned on and you have grading enabled, will do is it will apply your grades. So we have another video about storage device grading. The one thing that it's important to note about storage device grading is that each grade will all of the parameters you see here have to be met for it to meet that grade or to be that grade. So what you don't want to do is set boundaries or ranges. You want to set minimums. So in this case, health greater than that, reallocated less than that, SSD life left greater than that. Grade B is health greater than this. And so as you can see, greater than 70 here, greater than 60 here. And so it will drop from an A to a B if it's a 68. And if the reallocated sectors here are less than 2, it's an A. And if it's less than 41, it's a B. So if we had 30 and we had 70, it would still be a B because all of the things have to be met for it to be that grade. So recycler mode would also, not only if you have it set for warn, it would let you know if it was a grade A, a B, or a fail in this case if this was my grading system. So hopefully that's helpful, and stay tuned for more videos.